Hi guys, so today I'm going to be showing you some DIY cat toys plus a kitten crib because I recently just got a new kitten and I'm so excited. So yeah, I figured why not just make another cat video because I was going to make a kitten crib anyways, so I thought I would show you guys. So we named her Kimiko, and it's actually a Japanese name that means royal or beautiful. And my dad is half Japanese, so we thought, why don't we just do something different and be unique and name her a Japanese name? So yeah, this is what she looks like. You'll see more of her in the video. But she's a Siamese cat, and Kimiko's so cute. But she is very playful and loves to bite and scratch, but it doesn't hurt that bad. I'm actually allergic to cats. So, well, I'm allergic to a bunch of environmental things and cats and dogs, so yeah, it's kind of a problem, but I'm just taking my allergy pill every single night. But yeah, oh my goodness, she almost knocked over the camera. I'm planning on doing a furry friend tag, so yeah, don't worry, I will explain more about her in that video. But I thought I would oh my goodness, she keeps knocking over my camera. So yeah. Oh, she just ran into the dresser and bumped her head. But yeah, with that said, I hope you enjoy this video and let's just get right into it. So for the first DIY, you will need a cardboard box, a hot glue gun, scissors, X-Acto knife, and anything you would want to decorate it with. So I first just started by cutting apart the bottom of the box. And then I cut off the bottom 4 flaps. And yeah, I was really struggling right here, but I eventually got it off. Next, I just started by cutting slots all around the sides of the crib so that it would look like a crib. But yeah, this took a really long time, so I didn't film the whole thing. Once I did that, I just started by taping the bottom part shut again. So this is actually optional. You don't have to paint your box, but I just decided to do that to make it look a little bit more better. And yeah, I noticed after I started painting it, it looks like almost the same as the cardboard. But I thought this color would look good with the lace, so that's why I did that. You could use felt or scrapbook paper, whatever you want, but I just thought my cat would probably end up tearing up the box anyways. So yeah, I pretty much just decorated it like this for the video, but it still looked really nice. Once it dried, it ended up looking kind of like a rose gold color, so I actually really liked how it turned out. But I just decided to add a blanket to make it a bit more softer for her, and I added a mobile to it. And I didn't mention this in the beginning, but yeah, you will need wire. So this is the kind that's just bendable, and I just twisted it around the sides and tucked it in so there's no pointy parts sticking out. And I did want to mention, I got all these ideas on Pinterest, and I always link my Pinterest down below. I would credit the people who came up with these ideas, but I don't know who did. I just found all these ideas on Pinterest and decided to recreate it. But yeah, the next thing I did was take some twine, and I took some of her cat toys and just hung it from the wire to make like a cute little mobile. And yeah, I think it turned out really cute. after that, I just decided to add some ribbon along the top because I thought it looked a little bit boring, so this really added to it a lot. And here's my little kitten playing in there. My dad decided to put her in there. So yeah, that's how it turned out. She really loved it. The wire thing kept bending over, but oh well. She is like going crazy in there. And here she is again playing with the cord of the hot glue gun. But yeah, this is a finished product, and now you can just enjoy watching her play in it for a little bit. Yeah, I got like so many clips of her playing with all her toys that I made for her, so I try to cut a lot of it out, but it's just so cute, so so I would recommend trying this one out because my cat loved it. So now I'm just going to start showing you 3 simple cat toys. This one, all you will need is some yarn and a little cat toy ball that you can just get at the store. I just started braiding like a long string. Yeah, it's pretty self-explanatory. You can just see what I'm doing. And I just attached it to the ball, and it ended up being a really fun cat toy that she went crazy for. So yeah, that's pretty much it. The next toy I'm going to show you is super cute. All you will need is some felt, some twine, and some silver balls, or just one, depending on how many you're going to make. I just decided to start by tracing a feather out, but for the second one I didn't even trace it out. I just started cutting a feather. It's whatever works for you. But yeah, you basically just want to start cutting out feathers, and I just did 2 of them. And there's little Kimiko's head. But anyways, now I just decided to take some twine and attach the bell to it. And yeah, this part gets kind of messed up because she keeps trying to play with the twine while I'm making this. So sorry if you can't see this well, but I just tied a knot to the bell, and then I simply just tied a knot to the feathers and attached the whole thing together. And yeah, it's really easy. So there's my destructive cat, but she's really playful. But yeah, she ended up really loving this DIY, and I thought she was going to tear it apart, but it holds together really well. So for this DIY, you will just need some felt, scissors, and a rubber band. I'm sure you have rubber bands laying around, but yeah, I don't know if you ever made those tie blankets before, but it's kind of like that. I just used felt, and I basically just cut out a bunch of strips and tied it onto the rubber band. And yeah, that's pretty much it. It's like so easy to do, and yeah, my cat just loves batting it around. So I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, and I hope you try some of these out if you have a cat. And if you want to keep watching till the end of this video, my cat goes crazy playing with all of her toys, so yeah, you can enjoy watching that. But I will see you in my next video. Bye!